Having your viewers interact with your game while you're streaming makes it so much more entertaining, unique, and just more enjoyable to be around, which is where Chaos Tricks comes into play. And we're going to jump into this Twitch extension right now. Welcome back to another video. I'm Bam Banana Man, and I like to create videos to help content creators and streamers. And in this video, like I said, we are going to go over the Twitch extension called Chaos Tricks. Chaos Tricks is a Twitch extension that allows your viewers to control your game by giving you some bits, and it will cause some in-game interactions that may punish or help you. For example, I was playing Grand Theft Auto the other day when one of my viewers decided to give me some bits to help my car fly, only seconds later to eject me from my car and have my character plummet to my death. The best thing about Chaos Tricks is that it is a free extension, except they take 20% of your bits revenue, which is not unusual. Other Twitch extensions that use bits also have this split as well, but just kind of keep that in mind when you are tracking your revenue. But yeah. To get this Twitch extension up and running, you're going to want to go to the Chaos Tricks website, which I will leave linked down below. And we're going to start by going to the website, and you'll see you have two options here. You'll have download app and get it on Twitch. For us, we're going to start on download app. You can start either way, but it will automatically start downloading. And from there, you'll see, just read the instructions as well, but start by getting it on Twitch. And you'll have it pop up to your creator dashboard, and it will say install here. And once it's installed, go into My Extensions, and you can put Activate set as overlay 1, and then it'll be up and running for your Twitch overlay. So when it's on, you'll see on stream, it'll pop up for everybody to see the bits interactions to control your game. And after that, you're going to want to go unzip that folder in your downloads. So we'll hit extract here, put it into a folder that you'd like. I'm just going to leave it here for now. And then I'm going to replace them just because I want to. And click Bits for Tricks, and it should open up the website. Go ahead and run this if you feel safe to do so. And then once it's up and running, it's going to say authorization. I've already done this, so it says completed for me, but you'll do this. You'll say authorize where it says cancel. And then from there, you can pick the games that you want to mod and have your stream start interacting with you. So like I said, I use GTA. You'll need two other mods for GTA, which I will leave those linked down below. But you just put them in the root folder of the game, and then it should be up and running to go. And then, yeah, it also has guides for each game. And once you do that, you can do lots of other things too. Now, once you're ready to go, you can change the prices of the bit interactions by clicking this little bit button here, and it will allow you to change the price. So it has different presets: low, normal, average, and high. And you can also create some custom ones for yourself as well. The lowest that it can go is 10, which is what I typically kept it out because I want to have as many crazy interactions as possible. And then when you're in the game and you have this mods all installed, you can hit this button here and do test ones while you're practicing and just seeing if it's working in your game. One of the biggest things I'd like to see implemented with Chaos Tricks is the use of channel point redemption to cause some in-game interactions. But that's later to come, hopefully, maybe someday. Now, overall, this Chaos Tricks extension has been a blast. It really made the stream more enjoyable, interactive, and just a unique, different way. Now, let me know in the comments below, are you planning on using this Twitch extension, or do you already use this Twitch extension? And do you have any others that you may use that makes your Twitch streams more enjoyable? And of course, if you like this video, make sure to tippity tap that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And bam! See you next time.